Hi guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to add music to Instagram story. So let's get started. Click on bottom profile icon, then top left profile picture. We have the option to add a story to both pictures and videos. For instance, let's create a solid background. Now click on top right 3 dots and click on Draw icon. Then long press in anywhere center of the screen. And choose the color of solid background. Next, add music by clicking on the music icon at the top and select the music you prefer. You can incorporate various types of music lyrics using these options. You can also adjust the story's duration to your preference, anywhere between 15 seconds. This slider allows you to retrieve a 15-second segment of the music by sliding it from right to left. Once you have finished, simply tap the Done button at the top to share your story. That's how you can add music to your story. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.